levels. Oh, there we are. Oh, yes. Oh, is that one I give you?
Yeah. No, that's my.
Oh, no, yeah. I was going to say. Hey, Mark. Oh, yeah. That coffee will be. Very much. No. Yes. Standing there. Because the garage is attached to the house, so you have just like kitchen door. Absolutely loads. Yeah, it'd be nice to actually just be back in the house, and I can't wait to not have to leave it. Oh. You can hear me. Good, so you guys know the plan now. There we go. We are live. Let me get the night drive music on because we're driving through the night.
Dave's at the wheel.
There we go. Hello. Welcome everyone. Keep it PG. We always do, mate. We always do. To be fair, I didn't actually notice we were live, but it's fine. You just heard the plans for for me and my coffee situation.
Discussing Dave's interior design skills.
Yeah, let's move that down a bit because you're you was a bit covered there. Yeah, come on, come closer.
Well,
Come
Dave
closer.
and I'll snuggle up.
Oh, Them next door. What's going on in there?
Who's he invited round?
Hello everyone. How are you all doing? I'll put that in the middle there so you can hear us. Look at Nick. He's loving that. So yeah, Nick, how we doing? Steve-O. Let me know as well, by the way, does the mic sound any better? Because I've had a little bit of a mess with the settings. Supposedly it should make it sound a bit better. Let me know.
DJ Dave.
Yeah, keeping each other warm on the cold now.
He's just taking me out for a nice lunch.
Yeah, I did.
Crypto coding.
I took Wiz out for lunch. Took him out for lunch and wined and dined him. So he's all seduced now.
Yeah.
But yeah, welcome back to the stream, everybody. Thank you very much for joining us. As you join us on a day where we had another push up on Bitcoin yesterday, didn't we?
We did indeed.
We had another push up on Bitcoin. Quite a strong rally as well, as you can see. We bottomed around 88,600, pushed all the way up following Nvidia earnings. We have started to sell off, and what kind of does look a bit reminiscent is this a little bit. You know, are we going to get another just complete slam down from the same kind of area, or are we destined to come up and start chasing some of this liquidity up here?
Because we are technically have just made a lower high.
We have,
unless we push above.
We have, yeah. And we did make a lower low again yesterday, didn't we? So that is a lower low and another lower high. But yeah, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, get them in. We want to know what you guys are thinking. What I would say is, for the past few hours,
it's been pretty stable.
We've shown some demand in there.
Like Asia was bullish.
Yes.
Asia was bullish, pushed it up, and then London sold down a little bit. But it feels like it's been held, and I think we've seen the Americans be the most bearish this week. So it'll be interesting to see if New York changes its tone, obviously on the back of Nvidia earnings.
Yeah.
And other headwinds.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, absolutely. But yeah, do make sure you drop a like on the stream. Let's see how many we've got so far. What have we got? We've got 17 views. Coming in thick and fast.
Yeah.
We've only got 3 likes, so that's poor.
Go on, give it a like.
Yeah,
give it a like, and I'll give Dave another hug.
Yeah, go on, lick the like button like this. Go like this. Lick the like button like that. You two drinking some beer during stream? Absolutely not, mate. No, this is a professional stream.
We have had. I will say I am on the White Monster.
It's on the White Monster, and I've got some Coke Zero, but that's about it. Wiz is driving. Wiz is driving. Pedro, good afternoon to you, sir. How are you? Great to see you. Thank you very much for joining. And yeah, quite keen to see, obviously, the direction where we're going today. and you know what is going to come in the next hour and a half, hour and 24 minutes when we get US Open. Of course, the strongest coin at the moment in terms of the the mega caps is Solana.
Yeah,
really nice push up yesterday. Stonksy caught a really nice 5-minute background.
That green arrow as well.
Yeah, and of course you guys will know if you've been tuning into the streams this week. I've been very bullish on Solana this week for looking for bounces, and it's proved to be quite nice. I mean, if you go to the 1 hour, that was relentless when Bitcoin was getting this push up. I mean, look at that. It was just green, and most importantly, as you can see, it's come out and obviously just cleared all this built up liquidity here. Didn't quite come up to there, but it's took a real nice chunk of liquidity. So maybe Solana potentially maybe drops a bit down after such a big push up. As you can see, relative to Bitcoin, if you look at this, that would obviously be relevant to Bitcoin coming clearing all this. So it's definitely shown strength against Bitcoin because Solana, relevant to its structure, has obviously come and cleared all this build up that is still all the way up here on Bitcoin. So really nice strength shown on Solana. Of course, Ethereum, which was one that you tagged yesterday, wasn't it, Weirdo?
Ethereum. Yeah, we caught the my Ethereum entrance was 2.8.
That is literally bang on the wick low.
So if you, I was saying to Dave this morning, if you zoom out where we had the price action before we pumped up, so you see where we go back along. So look at the top of that wick just before we had the run up there.
This one.
And it tagged that to a T, and there was a little fair value gap that had never been filled. Yeah. Never been filled from the bottom of that wick down, and that is exactly the zone in which it grabbed from. Look at that. That is a perfect example of a liquidity retest. Like, it's come down and tagged that to a T.
Yeah. And I think obviously on the market and Bitcoin and ETH in general, and obviously others, but showing really nice signs of demand down here. If you go over to Bitcoin past 2 days, showing really nice signs of demand down here. Again, we've got at the moment as it stands, obviously some absorption from the upside, but this daily candle can be fixed. But for the time being, it's showing signs that maybe selling exhaustion is coming in at this point, and obviously we're just waiting on that push.
We're in the auction theory zone as well on both Bitcoin and ETH, because they are really defending 90,000 and 3,000 respectively. Those are the key levels.
Yeah. What's that called? The auction zone.
The auction theory, yeah.
Round
numbers.
Yeah, I do fancy us to push up. I myself are long on Bitcoin.
I am very long on both Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Yeah, I closed out some trades this morning, which I probably should have just let run, to be fair, but bank profits and then re-entered. So that is never a bad idea. Mike cut out when he said it. When he said what? I've been getting a bit of Mike cut out on stream a little bit, just every now and again.
Mike cut out when who said what?
I don't know. Until he said maybe what auction theory was.
Oh, yeah, auction theory. That you're drawn to round numbers.
Round numbers. Big, juicy round numbers. Yeah. You can imagine them coding, big, juicy things that you're drawn to. Just like... I'm drawn to these big juicy things here.
I thought you said you were keeping the stream PG, Dave.
Yeah, just big juicy
round numbers.
Big juicy noughts.
Some
just
nice
drawn
big
to
zeros. Some nice big zeros.
You just want to put your hand in some nice big zeros, just like that.
Put them on the round zeros and rug them.
Look at them zeros there. Just so like that coding, yeah. That's what I'm doing anyway.
Rug it.
Yeah, but we'll see what comes in today, of course. And I've actually been looking across the altcoin market past few days to see what really tickles my fancy, because I think if we do get some sort of good reversal on Bitcoin, I think altcoins are going to thrive at this point onwards. I think there's a real good chance that they're going to thrive. And
Here
look
he
at
is.
this.
He said it on record. Dave has called alt season.
Mini alt season. We'll call it mini alt season.
Mini alt season. He's tempering your expectations already. He's promised you an alt season. He's tempering it down.
Look at what we're getting on this. Can we get some move down on this? This is obviously one thing I'm really keen to see push down. It's not a major marker, it's not something that you would obviously that you can really directly trade. I don't think anyway. I don't think you can trade USDT dominance, but it's definitely one factor for looking at market rallies and obviously market drop-offs. And we are at the kind of top end of it to suggest, hopefully, that we are due some USDT flowing back into the market. So we'll see what happens with that. Aside from that, we've got good old MSTR back up today. That has pulled in real nicely to that zone now. I'm anticipating that is really good potential risk reward there, isn't it?
It's coming basically retested.
I haven't entered any of this myself. Obviously, you can just do it by.
I bought that last summer.
Is it?
Yeah, I bought a lot of the the leveraged ETF.
Yeah.
Bought a lot of that over the summer, and then
managed the 3x long one.
Yeah, I did pretty well on it.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
Obviously, Coinbase that is pushed up nicely on it. Now I think this is what you were looking at down here, wasn't it?
I had
down
that
there,
as a zone.
Yes.
I do really fancy it closing the gap at some point.
Yeah.
If this isn't the
low,
the cycle bottom, I do think we close that gap down to 208.
Yeah. And
that would be a very good entry. I think I'd like Coinbase on there. What circle do?
Obviously, your circle.
I do have some more bids lower. So if we go a bit lower, for me, I'm happy to do
that
into this.
That is
this
brutal,
is a brutal.
That is brutal. I mean, that is.
Few weeks.
That is just
one.
150. That is just like one laser beam down in it over the past month.
Well, up there was where the news leaked out, didn't it, about that guy who had bought call options for $300.
Oh yeah, yeah. Now, can you imagine what sort of return would you have got if you would have bought puts for like down here all the way up there?
You would have got a lot of money.
Would you?
Yeah.
Would they have been quite cheap as well? Would they not be, be in demand?
I
don't know.
Depends. Puts were quite cheap going into this, but obviously the thing is there's not downside at the minute. So
say something like this, MSTR, with it being like so beaten up and stuff like that, would calls up to say like 300, 350, whatever, would they be quite cheap now because maybe people don't want them with it being so bearish or?
Ish. You have what's called implied volatility on it, which is a factor. So they're priced a bit interestingly.
Right.
Yeah, it depends what time frame you're going for, but also it doesn't help that when the stocks are more expensive because ultimately the call option is you're buying 100 stocks of it.
Oh, hang on. Oh, we're pushing up. We're pushing up.
Oh, no. Come on.
Unbelievable.
Come on.
Let's get in. Oh, yeah. There you go. We're pushing up.
Itty Bitty is...
Come on, he's getting excited, isn't he?
Oh, go on.
He's getting excited.
Bitty is going for it.
He's getting excited. Long may it continue. Let's have some real nice bullish candles. Yeah, let's have a look at our other crypto related stocks. BitDeer. I don't even know where that is actually. Where is it? Oh, it's up. Oh, it's up 5% pre-market.
So if you press on there, Dave, if you press ETH, you've got the extended hours on. It's just not.
I'm not. Oh yeah, that's right. Because I was looking for the pre-market thing, but I won't have that. We'll have some on that.
The volume's not on.
Yeah. Hang on. Let me put it on the hourly. There we go.
Oh, that's a brutal shot by Stonksy, isn't it?
This thing fell super hard, didn't it? That thing fell super hard. GameStop. Would you attribute GameStop to being a Bitcoin stock?
Not particularly.
I wouldn't, but they still. Well, I don't know how much they hold. What price did GameStop even buy at? Let's ask Rock. I reckon. I don't know actually. So they bought 4,000. Oh, they didn't. Oh,
average of 108.
They didn't even buy as much as I thought. No. I thought they'd bought 1 billion, but they bought 500.
Yeah.
Which is interesting.
No, but they raised 1 billion, so they're sitting on some cash.
Yeah, they raised 1.3 billion, which was
lower.
Yeah. Now, could plow it in now, couldn't they? But yeah, I never really attribute it to being a Bitcoin stock, but it obviously is a Bitcoin treasury stock.
Yeah.
This thing had a good bounce. Metaplanet. This.
The Japanese index is up 4% today.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, this thing came right towards the bottom of my box.
Full retest.
Yeah. I mean, really, this box could be easily made smaller into something like that. But I mean, something like that. I mean, the potential risk reward on that is mega, in it, especially if you would have bought it down there.
But it's been diluted beyond belief. Robinhood, that's bounced quite nicely.
Yeah, that's bounced nice.
Gemini, what's Gemini doing?
Gemini.
Oh, Tron.
Fuck's in it. Look at that.
See, that's barely moved. Tron
is close to.
You just know this thing is just going to have some stupid candles at some point.
I didn't really want it to close that gap, but I suppose not closing the gap is maybe even better. Oh, look at SBET.
Horrendous.
Wow. A lot of these probably will just slowly trade all the way back towards where they started. Even if ETH goes up, they'll obviously trend up a bit, but the demand for them, because you got to think like this is kind of like similar to what we saw in the altcoin space, where altcoins just so many started getting launched that it just really diluted it.
Yeah.
Same for these. Like if you want exposure to Ethereum in a stock,
Bitmine.
You got Bitmine, yeah. Like why do you need to go and buy something like SBET? This thing, slowly. So what's fascinating is, what did this stock do, or what does it do? Obviously before buying ETH, because it was in the pits.
That's a very good question.
So what does Bitmine need to do?
Do
you know what I was thinking yesterday as well?
Go on.
Was that Tom Lee, before they bought ETH, was on CNBC so much, posting Bitcoin and ETH.
Yeah.
And you look back and you think, had you just looked at his company and gone, maybe these might buy Bitcoin or ETH at some point, and took the risk, you would have got such good. I mean, look at that. You would have got such a good payoff. I thought that yesterday. I was like, it's one of them ones where.
Yeah, if you got, I'll tell you, crypto stock to probably that. If you got bullish on there, the exchange.
I used to. I removed it.
I just thought, I only caught my eye because it says there on the news, Kathy Woods bought some more of it.
Oh, so bullish is BLSH, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. 36. Bloody hell! Look at that.
That thing's been killed.
Nice daily candle yesterday, though, to be fair.
This might be something to keep on your radar, because this may be something that you see a reversal in.
Oh, that's put in a nice daily candle.
Because they do so this is an institutional exchange, so they deal mostly with institutions.
Yeah.
Especially with options trading of it, etc.
And something like this will eventually have a floor, because they'll just prop it up, won't they?
Yeah.
Eventually it will have a floor, because they'll just basically just say, right, it's not going any lower now. Bitcoiners basically retraced that little 5-minute bump that we had. Oh, I'll tell you what we've got today. We've got NFP, haven't we? What time is that?
Yeah,
is that in 10 minutes?
Yeah, it's September numbers though, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing a backlog. We're doing a backlog of them.
Well, October's been cancelled. Apparently, October's been cancelled.
Yeah, because they're not releasing the inflation data on October as well, are they?
But I mean, these are September numbers.
Right. Maybe we won't get much of a reaction then. All-time high at Christmas, says Jimmy Mack. Jimmy Mack is feeling bullish. Santa rally. You guys anticipate a return of Bitcoin to 89k before the real pull-up? I mean, it's. I wouldn't like to see it go back down there, but it's possible.
Yeah.
I mean, if you do go back down there, you want obviously strong demand to come in, because it could go down there if we just continue to range. So.
I've got more bids down there.
Have you?
Yeah.
If you look at it as in this, what we could do is obviously just build, somewhat of a range, however you want to draw it. If I just draw something quickly, something like that, whatever, however you want to draw it. You could build somewhat of a range, and this could just simply just go ping, pong, into next week at whatever. Personally, I wouldn't want to see it go down there, because obviously that gives it real risk of maybe going to new lows.
We need to break that range. We need to put in a higher low for sure.
And obviously to break a downtrend, at some point you need to put in a low. So obviously at the end of a downtrend comes a low, doesn't it? Where that low obviously never gets, well, not never gets, but to form an uptrend, you need a low to obviously start it. So if you come down here, I would feel uncomfortable a bit, because obviously if it starts breaking down, then we're probably coming in towards mid 80s then to just come and fill this gap in with a bigger just daily candle, basically just within this gap.
And it may be we revisit there before we hit an all-time high, but if we have a nice little push up to show that there's some signs of life, ultimately we need to break above at least like that yearly open line that Dave has. Because we need to change the character. There's been no bullish change of character on the high time frame. We're still in that really bearish step down. Yeah, exactly.
I mean, you look at it. If I get a new chart without any drawings on it, go on.
You can just click hide drawings, can't you? You actually remove them. So if you click the button with the eye,
where's that?
There, you hide drawings.
But then can I draw on it again?
No.
Oh, okay. So obviously you can see like the points where obviously on the daily we've got these lower highs here. Even coming up back towards, as you can see, coming back towards here, if we came back towards 100, that necessarily wouldn't mean that we'd shift structure on the daily, because if we pumped up there would be for the potential to then put in, another lower high, if that obviously isn't like a turning point. You see that would make perfect sense, because this would just be another lower low. You'd put in a lower high, obviously come and rinse all that. I mean, look at that on the daily. You can see all that liquidity there built up. So you could potentially do something like that, and then maybe go for like mid 80s, maybe down into the 70s, whatever, before you put in a low and then shift trend, whatever, or do whatever.
Push up.
But looking at it on the daily, even a push up towards 100k doesn't necessarily mean we shift trend. That could just be obviously just a rally similar to what we've had along the way, and obviously just clearing liquidity, slam it into resistance, and then sell off again. That's entirely possible. So you do just want to really keep an eye on the different time frames, because obviously on the 1 hour, a push up into there may look a lot more bullish than it looks at. But obviously looking at it on the daily, if we start to round off there, all that then is just another lower high, and then maybe we then start to drift back down. But ultimately, I think if we go back and look at the daily, this area for me is it that area? No, it's that area, isn't it? Yeah. So obviously where we'd come into SR there, where I've just said,
it's that 100k level.
Yeah, or just a bit above, depending on how you want to draw it, whatever. But is where obviously we'd need to reclaim to then give a bullish outlook. So you reclaim that, you then obviously start then looking at breaking that lower high to shift structure, and then maybe you come up to say 110, and then drift back down, maybe put in a higher low there, and then maybe then go on obviously for this area here. Just have to play it by ear. But yeah, I think at some point we're going to get a squeeze, because obviously there's only so much selling that can be done when we come to a point of exhaustion. These two daily candles here, you can see the big lower wicks on them. That suggests obviously that we've had demand come in over the past 2 days, and obviously sellers have been unable to keep pushing it down, as they did obviously all throughout last week into this week. So it definitely sets up nice for a bounce. It's just whether we maybe come and test lower again, if we are just stuck in a low time frame range, and just come and test what would be somewhat of a range low build. But yeah, I think at some point, whether it's from here, whether we do come down and test again, whether we come a bit lower and maybe sweep that, at some point I anticipate we either rally up into there, or we do a full slam into resistance and then either tail off or reclaim.
Yeah.
But yeah, from there, we'll just play it by ear. No point trying to front run it too much. Just obviously have your interests, and just go from there. Alistair, mate, you're excused. Don't worry. Don't worry.
What's doing?
Zek trying to get past 750. Is it?
I got stopped out on that 580.
Did you?
Yeah.
Let's see. It's relentless, isn't it? It's absolutely. This is gonna go to. So $900 to $1,000 is really where you want to start paying attention on Zcash, I think, in my opinion, because you can see it on this, can't you? No? Can you? Yeah, you can. So if you look back to 2018, as you can see, we have this wild wick up towards $900. So apart from that, there isn't actually really anything much apart, until you then start looking back into when it first launched. You can see just silly candles. But this one for me on $900, wherever it's gone. Hang on, let me skip back across. Yeah, that one is obviously probably the most noteworthy now. You potentially come up and then get close to one of them auction numbers.
Yeah. Auction period 1,000.
And kind of front run it. So maybe round off at like whatever 950, 960, 970. Obviously, a lot of people will be waiting for that 1,000, and then it'll probably just get front run by sells.
Yeah, it'll go either side. Remember when we had Bitcoin run up to 100k?
Yeah.
And it rejected hard off 99.
Yeah.
So and then it just went straight through to 106. I think it went straight through to, didn't it?
Yeah. So I'll be watching that. I think anything under 100,000. 100,000. Imagine that.
Can you imagine $100,000 decom? Oh, you'd
imagine the market cap on it. Yeah, anything under 1,000, as soon as we get above 900, anything closer to 1,000, I'll be looking to have a little bit of a dabble of a short on it. And again, your invalidation is easy because there's not much above here. So just use it, obviously, what I'd be doing is using low leverage and giving yourself 10, 15, 20% room, because ultimately it'll be a high risk, high reward one because of how it's trading. So you don't want to use like mega money on it, and you don't want to use mega leverage because you can obviously very easily get stopped out. Skip all the way along to it. But I mean, yeah, that's crazy. Did it? Them wicks never even swept that, did they? So there is also the potential that just comes for a liquidity clearance. It doesn't need to be another push up. If that, what you want to watch is mark out 744 on your charts, and if this goes up and then deviates and gets back below, then that becomes a possibility of a liquidity grab. And again, this isn't financial advice, so don't do this. This is obviously just educational for how you can play these sorts of things. So say, for instance, it topped out at 772 where I've drawn that arrow. Obviously then, as soon as it gets back below there, obviously you could enter.
Take and it on the retest.
Or if it slams back up and rejects. But there's kind of like, that's a tight stop as well for something like Zach, 6%. And then there is your entry, there's your stop, because obviously if it gets back above there, then it's going to carry on in it. But you're basically playing that to be a liquidity clearance, and then you can play it as much as you want. Maybe that's the top, maybe it goes for another big pullback, maybe it goes for a deep pullback, whatever. Yeah, but there's your risk reward, and that's obviously how you play a liquidity grab like that. Is obviously you stop above the high. We're moving on Bitcoin. We're moving. Did we have NFP? Is that what's moving? Let's see. I'll go over on Grok. X. Someone will have tweeted it out. I don't know what we have. Maybe we didn't have anything. We'll come back down again. Oh, look at that. That is a dirty 5-minute candle.
We're just having the market makers are having fun today.
Yeah, they're having big. Oh yeah, NFP, yeah. Plus 119,000. The consensus was 50.
Nice.
So it come in over double.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this guy. He won 1,181 on Polymarket.
Nice.
Oh, look at that. Will Trump sign the Epstein disclosure bill on November 19th? He got it at...
Bet $110 to win.
Oh, look at that. He got 900% on that. So he got it... What did he get?
It's a 9x.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got it just over... He'll have got it at... What will he have got it at? Just over 9.
Yeah. Have you had any dabbles on prediction markets recently? Apart from obviously the MSCI.
No.
That was a beauty.
Oh, we are moving. Oh, come on then. Let's see what this one's doing. Yeah, I should have kept my longs open from this morning, to be fair, but
although there's a lot of absorption.
Yeah, I am back in regardless. Yeah, there's a lot of absorption. I've got that one, and then let's see what this one's doing. This is obviously on. I've got another one on 2x. Yeah, that's only up $50. That's very low leverage, and more of a swing one. More of a swing trade, that one. That other one. Meme coin season soon.
I mean, talk about meme coins. Giga Chad.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Chad,
did anyone catch that one?
Oh no! Look at that! Look at that candle.
Oh,
that is some big absorption there, isn't it? People are trying to heavily short this, aren't they? People are trying to. This is actually probably good. This may be a good sign for us, because if this isn't just a liquidity clearance and people are just really heavily loading into shorts, then that gives the fuel then to get above here and really start to squeeze them, because people will be trying to short this obviously for lower, because everyone's now been conditioned that we short bounces and stuff like that. But obviously you don't want to do that if the potential trend is going to shift. But you will have people shorting big on any spikes up, and then ultimately they become then what longs become last week and the start of this week, where they keep trying to long, and obviously they keep getting stopped out and liquidated, which fuels the move down. Yeah, let's have a look at Giga Chad. Yeah, let's see. Fartcoin now. Special mention to Fartcoin, up 14% today. But yeah. Oh, AI16Z has been delisted off something. Where is it here? Can you see it anywhere? I have it
Giga.
on here.
There it is. Giga.
There it is. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. This thing moved gnarly, didn't it, yesterday? I mean,
crazy, wasn't it?
I mean, if you look at that from the bottom, it's a clean 2x. But solely yesterday, it was up. What was it? Up 50%. A nice call by Stonksy there as well. Look at the nice shift from the trend out of the red into the green. Bang, bang. There we go.
Stonksy longing it again this morning.
And for anyone that wants to join Stonksy, we have got the Black Friday sale now on, which is 50% off the annual. So it is in the description.
You're too generous.
I know. I'm going to stick it. I'm too generous. There you go.
Foot massage.
Oh, that was it. I love just having my feet in it. Do you still put your feet in yours? With the kneading?
Mine don't work anymore.
What, even the kneading?
No.
Really?
No.
You threw it out?
Yeah.
Have you? Yeah. You have to buy yourself another one. To be fair, it's not a very good thing, though, is it? To show that like everyone's must have broke. Like mine broke, yours broke. I don't know about Justin's or anyone else's.
The warranty on it, to be fair, I did get a lot of use.
Yeah. Oh, I've had it on every day.
Yeah, I think they're designed for people who might use it for 15 minutes a day.
Yeah, not all day, every day.
Not the degenerates who sit behind the desk.
Well, you can imagine me, obviously, over the past year and a half. Like, I've had it on all day, every day.
That's pretty much been on, as long as your laptop has been on.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Yeah, it's a good point, actually. But yeah, code BLACK50 on Stonksy website on the annual gets you 50% off for the next week and a little bit, leading into Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So do go check that out. But yeah, I mean, Giga moving nicely, but Fartcoin. I remember I spoke about Fartcoin earlier in the week down here, and personally, I didn't go and risk any on Fartcoin. I didn't make a move on it, but I mean that already is showing signs of, if you got in, say, in the middle of this range, or anywhere in there, you're already nearly 25% up.
Mega.
Look at that 1 hour candle. Look at that 1 hour candle. SPX.
This thing moves quite aggressively.
This and Fartcoin are like the most aggressive movers, aren't they? Trump coin getting slammed again. BERT was another one I spoke about.
That's one of Dave's favourites.
That's I didn't buy any of this, but
Dave's other favourite is up. Moodang.
Moodang, where is it? Yeah, where is it?
At the bottom of the list.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, look at that. I wonder what this has done actually over the past couple of weeks and months.
Dave was a Moodang whale.
I nearly was. I nearly was a Moodang whale. I need to add some more memes onto this, like some more relevant ones. Chill guy, do you remember that? Yeah.
How's that doing? Because that one, because isn't that like active AI? Yeah, it's the active the AI prophecy.
Oh my god!
Obviously, NVIDIA. This thing should have kicked on hard. After
look at that daily candle. Right, look at that daily candle. So it went from 2 cents in a day. Oh! Did a 22x in a day, all the way up to that. Can you imagine holding that like
without my money on as well?
Look at that. Literally within 4 days, it had done like a 40x. That is crazy, isn't it? But it's back to where it started. Yeah. So I don't know whether what is it again?
Prophecy may be on us again.
Is that what this is? The AI prophecy?
Active AI. It says at the top there in the ticker. The
AI prophecy. Yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. Brett dead.
Short Brett.
Look at the Brett. It's dead. It's completely dead, isn't it? I mean, look at that. That is shocking, isn't it?
That is horrendous.
It's quite bad how like base haven't tried to keep that up with it, obviously being the biggest one on base.
Well, some of the base stuff so Zora's not fared particularly well either.
No. Popcat.
What's Rats doing?
It's all the way back. Look at Popcat. Jesus Christ.
Rats is interesting.
Yes.
Because that one, someone has been walking that one.
Look at that. Yeah. I mean, look how long ago I looked at Rats. I was using yellow arrows, and I can't remember the last time I used yellow arrows. But yeah, got some other drawings on there. But yeah, I mean, yeah, look at that. That's just been steady walking up on it. This is another one. Like, oh, actually, look at Shib. Ooh. Oh, that has been annihilated as well. I still don't know how that is the market cap that it is. Bonk. Look at that on Bonk actually.
Ooh.
Right to plan. There you go. So for anyone interested on Bonk,
you longing Bonk.
Hopefully you should have thingoed. I mean, look at that. You don't really get much better risk reward than that, do you? Turn Stonksy off for a sec so you can see clearly. I mean, that is literally at do or die point there. Literally do. But obviously you can get these wild wicks down here, as you can see. But in terms of like a daily outlook, that is like dire, innit? I mean, that still applies really if it can start getting a move on again.
Pengu.
That one was one that haunted me though. I remember drawing this trend line and I never longed it, and then it went all the way up there.
It even gave you the retest.
Yeah.
What's Pengu doing? These things.
Oh God, I fancy it down here.
Yeah.
If it can get one more drop down,
one more leg down
into the, because very similar to Pump, and again, this is one that I marked out on stream and I didn't take it.
Here he is, standing.
But Pump into there. And I didn't take it, but that was obviously an exceptional entry.
Yeah.
And obviously the point of, I tell you what though, I would buy Pengu down there.
Yeah.
I would definitely buy Pengu there. I would definitely get in on Pengu. But Bitcoin's
stabilizing.
Yeah, it's stabilizing a bit after a couple of wild 5-minute candles. I mean, yeah, come all the way back down there, absorbed. I think it is setting up nicely for open because, yeah, the more people try and short this, the better for us if you are long, because it obviously provides really nice fuel for an explosive breakout.
5-minute candle wicks are crazy.
Honestly, once we get above the early open, that will be fireworks then.
Yeah.
Up to 96, 97, and it'll be thank you very much. I'm done for the week.
I just had a notification from Amazon giving me 25% off the foot massage.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, for Black Friday.
No. That must be just a clear sign that
it's a sign from Almighty up there.
Snowing up here in the Highlands, heating on blasts.
I had a bit of snow. I had a bit of snow yesterday. I went into the ice bath.
Did you?
Yesterday.
We've had nothing here apart from a bit of frost.
I went in the ice bath yesterday and it was cold.
Well, the thing is, with your ice bath, you don't even have to turn it on now.
No,
you'd just be naturally just freezing, won't it?
With the wind chill yesterday, because it was a -7 wind chill. The ice bath was warmer than it was.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah. Well, to be fair, that's it. Yeah, if you actually turn it off, it'll probably freeze over too much, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah. Trash Coin says hi. I don't know what that is, but we'll have a look. Oh, it's my barber.
Oh, hello.
Hello, mate. How we doing? He's on his break.
Dave
Popped
been
into the
giving
stream.
you any non-financial advice on what to buy and what not to buy?
What a legend! Big up Lou in the chat. Big up Lou. Oh, Bitcoin's falling back off now. That's some proper fuckery in it over the past 15 minutes. But yeah, big up Lou in the chat, legend.
The US session is just full of these.
Yeah. Fever's got the day off. Miss joining these amazing streams. Work has been getting in the way.
He's trying to make us blush.
I
Look,
know,
you're making Dave go all red.
I tell you what, though, Fever, you should just have it on next year. You should have it on next year. Just get it on as you're working. You're
firing off some trades today, Fever. Getting some nice ones under the belt.
Delta's off to Tenerife on Saturday.
Ooh,
he's a show off him, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's a proper show off. Delta. Sod this weather. Delta.
Should we go to Tenerife? Should we do a show from Tenerife?
Tell you what, we'll hunt Delta down, get his phone, close his short in negative profit, and then watch Bitcoin go to 100k. We'll see. Delta. For reference, sorry for bringing it up again, Delta, but Delta revealed to us yesterday that Delta is still long from 99,700. So what we're going to do, Delta, is find you, get your phone, close the short in negative P&L, and then we can just watch Bitcoin go all the way back up to where your entry was. Yeah.
As we approach 99k, reverse.
Yeah. So we're going to close it, then watch it go all the way back up to where your entry was, and then we're going to put a long on from the same point again, and watch it all the way back there.
We'll play the Titanic music as well at the same time.
Yeah, that's what we'll do. Yeah, I mean, some very, very interesting price action over the past 15 minutes.
It's a good time to put some limit bids in. I'd put some limit bids on.
Yours are probably all the way down towards my my stop, though, to be fair. That's probably where yours are. Oh, I can taste my dinner there a bit. Can you smell it?
Dave had we went out for some lunch and Dave had soup of the day and
butternut squash.
Butternut squash soup, and then what sandwich did you have?
Piri piri chicken.
Ooh.
Yeah, it was nice.
I had barbecue brisket loaded fries, and it was very nice, but I feel very, very full.
Yeah. It's a nice hearty meal, wasn't it, for this weather?
Yeah, it's a proper,
very nice hearty meal. Yeah, it was. I got my new setup yesterday, hoping the workflow allows for it to pull up the stream and maybe plug in a few limit orders. Very nice, mate. Very nice, yeah. I think we're motoring down a bit here. ETH is anyway. Yeah, Bitcoin's motoring down a bit.
Good, because I had a limit order on Bitcoin at 91,750 for the first one.
Did you?
And then it's 91,500.
See, that's fine with me because that's not too much above mine. I think mine's at 91.
No, mainly scalps.
Yeah, 91,800 my entry is. I don't know what my other one is. But that's looking like... So from here, maybe we come down and clear out these lows. Here, obviously got a low there and a low there. Maybe something like this. Hopefully. Unless we come for these here.
Yeah.
Potentially. Something like that. We'll see anyway. Let's mark them on, and we'll see. But that is pretty. That is absolute whipsaw in it. I mean, look at that. We fired all the way up there to 92,500, and then snapped all the way back down. Full whipsaw. In TradFi land, the S&P is actually just chugging away nicely on up. It hasn't retraced its NFP candle at all yet. So that's chugging. Oh yeah, we are. We're heading on down now. We're heading on down. Might be a good thing if we dump into open though, because maybe it would suggest that we'll reverse. Afternoon, have you been spooning all day? Not yet. That comes after the stream. You wish anyway, James, don't you? That 15-minute candle. Yeah, let's actually have a look at the 15.
Oh, it's chaos.
Oh yeah, look at that.
We're pushing back up. We're pushing back up.
This is it's all fun and games, isn't it? Look, we just come and did that. Actually, on Binance, actually, it doesn't look like we took this low out here. Looks like we just missed it. But...
Well, I'll tell you one thing, the Wizards 91,500.
Yeah, It's filled.
I have on 150x leverage.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, you devil.
Oh no. Enough leverage to make me feel alive. Trade responsibly, obviously.
Yeah.
Calculate positions.
That's it. Be careful out there. How many likes are we on? We're on 13 likes. Please do drop some more likes in the chat. 34 viewers. Thank you very much for joining. 35. Hey, we're going viral here.
Hey,
we're going viral, going on up. Do make sure you drop a big like on the stream. Yeah. Drop a big like on the stream. This is the first ever.
Stop, Dave.
This is the first ever in-person stream with a guest on the Stonksy channel as well. So we made history today. Yeah. The first ever in-person stream with a guest. Honored. Good morning, Jeff. How are we doing, mate? Yeah, please do as well. If you're not signed up to BLOFIN, click that link in the chat and sign up.
And then you can trade with 150x leverage.
And of course, we are. I'll tell you what I need to do on here is I need to write a little note. 50%.
Dave's just showing me his seed phrase.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want me to read it out? 50 likes and I'll read out his 12-word seed phrase.
Yeah. Come on, get him going. Right, there you go. So I've got that saved there so I can copy and paste it. We are now running the Black Friday sale on Stonksy, so it's 50% off the annual plan with code BLACK50. So that is on the website. Do make sure you check that out. If you want to get Stonksy, now is the perfect time to do it because yeah, it's 50% off. Oh, look at that. Jupiter now allows 250x leverage. We were talking about Jupiter before, actually, saying how they'd really slacked and kind of fell asleep at the wheel when it comes to perps. So that's interesting. Maybe they're now, I mean, they've got enough money, haven't they? Maybe they're now looking to try and get back in the game.
Come on, push up, itty bitty.
It definitely is. It's definitely the way to go, innit?
Yeah.
For exchanges now is, well, the centralized ones.
Yeah, the DEX
is obviously perps, but also traditional perps.
Yeah.
Like your stocks, your indices.
Yeah, Nvidia. We've not spoken about Nvidia yet, have we?
And I think obviously how long before we see Hyperliquid do options? That will probably be the big one.
Yeah, I know options are going to.
They're basically bringing Wall Street on chain, aren't they? Yeah. Which is like madness. Anyway, yeah, Nvidia. So up to 196 pre-market. Of course, it closed out, as you can see yesterday, at 186. So massively up, and they come in with really good numbers, didn't they, yesterday? Give us some commentary, Wiz.
Yeah, so the data center revenue was up. I think it was more his comments and how they were speaking about using language like the chips sold out and there's queues out of the door, particularly for the Blackwell chips. So Blackwell is their most advanced chips. There's obviously the addition of China revenue, because China revenue doesn't form any part of their forecast or commentary. They sort of keep that aside. But yeah, it was more the data center story that the capex isn't slowing down. There was some really interesting commentary about the life cycle of chips being a bit longer than they anticipated, which obviously runs counter to the argument that one Mr. Burry is putting in. But fundamentally, the way that they've grown their data center revenue, I think it was data center revenue was 60 billion. Nuts.
Crazy.
Nuts.
Yeah, I mean, at the moment, it is the best company on earth, isn't it? In terms of just money printing as well. Like, just efficiency, the way they've got just such a tight grip. I mean, it's basically like how Amazon have got a grip of online shopping, in it. Like, they've just got a complete just strangulation on chips and data centers.
Exactly, and we are seeing that push up. Bitcoin's pushing up nicely here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We got a little. To be fair, I should get my iPad out sometimes as well. I've got my iPad in my bag. I should have that out as well while I stream. But yeah. We'll push it back up. So hopefully that was just a bit of liquidation fuckery. And we push up on open. Let's hope so. Anyway, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Are you here for it?
I'm here and present. I would like Bitcoin to go up so that, given my longs. Oh, go on.
Yeah, go on. Go on. Go on. Yeah. Oh.
Get the magnet out. Get the magnet out. Oh. Get the magnet out.
Get the magnet out. Here we go. There we go. Right.
Go on.
First one, we want to pull it up into here, don't we?
Go on, pull it up.
Let me get rid of this, actually. That was from before when I was showing that range. Hang on.
Go on, pull it up.
Let me, let me
Oh,
get rid of
92, 92, 92,
No, I want 90.
92.
We want yearly open, don't we? We want yearly open.
92.
Let's put it there.
Oh, hey.
Go on.
Oh,
We want... Oh, don't do us dirty like this. Don't do us dirty. Oh. How long can you keep that going for? Oh. Hey. There we go. 92. Yeah, let's put the magnet on the yearly open. That's what we want. If we get above the yearly open today, we're flying into the end of the week then.
You heard it here first.
Yeah, you heard it here first. Does that work? Believe it or not, the magnet actually works.
Yeah.
What was it, Friday, or is it Friday just gone, or was it?
I think it was the Friday just gone.
Yeah,
it was you and
it's me and Dean was on stream, and I put the magnets on, and it actually the price just started just rallying towards it, didn't it? Good call on video in the Discord.
181 to 195.
Yeah,
fantastic.
Which is cool.
Yeah, that was it's printed quite well. Rocket Lab as well. That was one that I highlighted. That came in for a beautiful retest of 42. I think that's $45, $46 now. Yeah, had some good wins. Oh, come on. Bitcoin's edging us here at 92.
It is. But it's positioned quite nicely. I'll tell you what I need to do. I need to get the... I'm surprised you've not told me, Nick. Nick normally reminds me. But I need to get the Apollo. There you go. Get the poll up. I tell you what, the likes are flooded in as well. Got 21 likes. Thank you very much for everyone that's dropped a like on the stream.
Well, I did say if we got to 50 likes, your seed phrase
is
going on.
Yeah. When I need Bitcoin to pump, I get my weights out and pump it up manually. Very nice.
I can imagine Fever for the Flavor being like some proper jacked.
Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, it's got veins coming out from everywhere. Yeah, definitely. You can imagine it. I bet he sits there at his desk while he's working. He's got one of them squeezy things. Yeah, one of them squeezers.
You wouldn't find a foot massaging machine with him.
No,
he's got a little on the desk treadmill.
He'll have one of the guns, won't he? That's how he'll have one of the massage guns. Yeah. Get them all on the shoulders and the arms and chest and all that.
Driving a big Dodge Ram truck.
Yeah, or a Ford Raptor. He's working on it. Driving through Miami.
Yeah. Oh, I bet he looks like something out of Miami Vice.
Yeah, he definitely does.
Hawaiian shirt.
Fever. Does the sun does the sun still shine golden in Miami? You got that proper like golden, nice orange sun. Let me know. They're my favorite type of videos then.
Yeah.
Of like proper Miami, like these. I'll show you exactly what I mean. I know I've shown. I've tried to pull it up on Thingio. Miami.
Dave's TikTok algorithm just did him dirty.
Did it? Why? What was that?
I'm jesting. Oh, the Miami's 90.
Like these types of TikToks, yeah, like these ones, like. But it's this song as well. Like it makes you feel like you were there, doesn't it?
Yeah. Is this how you're going to decorate your new house?
Oh. Like Miami Nights, 1993. Oh. Like the golden sky.
Oh, I love the pink lighting.
Oh, you just know that's what it was like, don't you?
Oh, you know it.
I wish you guys could see this, but it's basically just like looking at.
Dave's showing me the penthouse he's going to order after the bull run.
Oh, do you know what it makes me really want to do?
Oh, the magnet. You've got the Chinese magnet out now. It's not working.
Oh yeah, hang on. I need to put it closer.
China.
Yeah, I need to put it closer. It's too far away from the price. That's what it is. Absolutely. Last time I was in Miami, the golden hour did not disappoint. So how far away are you from Miami, Fever? How far away are you? I know obviously you're in Florida. That much I do remember. But when, I think that's one of the things you've got to do on your bucket list, innit? Is see gold now in Miami.
Yeah.
Like just that proper sunset down by the beach or something.
In your best Hawaiian shirt, Cuban cigar.
It's like another life was calling me then.
Yeah.
Just like
at 100k, we'll go to wherever the nearest beach is. Light up a cigar. And toast.
Mix coming back now. Oh, Borg has been crushed, hasn't it?
Oh,
I've not looked at Borg for a good.
I'll tell you what has been crushed.
A good while.
Unfortunately, I sold his peak.
Oh, really?
Oh, look at the chart for his horrendous.
Oh yeah, Borg. Jesus.
Yeah.
That has retraced a lot.
I think that'll have another run though.
Yeah, because look, it's come into a really nice area, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Like that is a really nice area for it to just mark that out. Obviously, where it previously reaccumulated. Look at that. That is near perfect. I mean, that should have a nice bounce whenever the market bounces. What about Borgie? Back down there, maybe. This is obviously selling off a lot more than Borg, but I mean back into there.
At some point people will buy it.
Yeah.
Yeah, peak looks horrendous.
Let's see. Oh yeah, peak there. Ooh. So it's gone back below that level. Is it new? Oh,
it's in the death zone.
There you go. The death zone.
I don't hold any more of this.
No,
I sold it.
What is our good old Moo doing?
You know what? This thing has been really, really steady.
This is annoying what MEXC does on this, because that's just like combined two different charts, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, because that thing stayed relatively steady.
Let's pull it up on KuCoin. Yeah, I mean risk reward basically at the end.
Oh, KuCoin did people dirty there. 5 cents.
Yeah, look at that.
Zora.
I've been seeing as well on X. KuCoin have been doing a little bit of a MEXC with locking people's accounts.
I'm dipping a decent chunk of change.
Have you?
To get out, yeah.
Well, it's only this one guys that I've seen, but basically, because he just keeps posting the updates, you know, with the emails back from the customer support and that. Initially, they locked it saying like some funds were linked to like something illegal or whatever, but basically they've locked his account and said he needs to go to law enforcement and get confirmation that like he's not involved in anything illegal or something to unlock his account. Like how would you even go about doing that? Speaking of Zora, before
don't. I bet don't. You can.
To be fair, I mean the region that it came back into was really nice.
Don't, because let me have a look and see if I've got.
That was mental what it did in July, weren't it? Like 14x.
That's really annoying.
Yeah, 12.5% up today. It's in a really nice range as well.
No, stop it.
Yeah.
Stop it.
That looks like it's going to go all the way back to the highs.
Oh no. If I can find.
What's your commentary on the Japanese 10-year?
It's up like 4%. Have you seen the gilt? The gilts are horrendous today.
No.
Worse.
She speaks next week, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Well, not speak. Does she even give a speech on the budget, or does it just get released? I don't know.
She gives a speech.
If she can even get it.
Dave.
What? Let's see. Oh no, it's all over. I don't know. I think everyone.
I don't think it'll show on screen, but that was the zone I had marked out.
Yeah, I had it marked out. I don't think it'll show, but like right at the bottom, if anyone that can see. He's just a few hours easy trip. See, that's the thing about Americans. Oh, what's that? That's just gone off there. Oh, Bitcoin's motoring down. I just had a notification. Let's see. Magnet's not working today. Yeah, we're motoring down. Which is maybe a good thing if we're doing this into open. Hopefully that we don't get any dump and the dump's coming beforehand. But I think we're coming maybe for this area here. If you can see them wicks there. See them wicks. Hopefully we're coming for them wicks. But yeah. What was I just looking at then? I don't know. I can't even remember.
Zora's going to annoy me.
Yeah. Zora. Let's see what Fever was saying. Yeah, a few hours trip. It's funny that because like a few hours trip here seems like such a tedious task, doesn't it? But for Americans, like a few hours trip is just like they're going to the shop or something.
Yeah, like it was about like Dave and I live about an hour apart, and obviously we sound very different. That's the beauty about the UK. It's like the different accents,
and it changes very like without really much distance, doesn't it? Like just from like Liverpool to Manchester or Liverpool to Wigan or Manchester to Leeds.
Yeah, exactly.
Or Leeds to Newcastle, Newcastle to Scotland. Like it's just very. Oh God, look at this.
I need to leave. I'll leave you.
Yeah, go on.
I'll leave you to entertain.
You go. You had dinner outside as the sun set on the street across from the beach. Oh, mate, that sounds absolutely glorious. Wow. Oh, God, what is this? Oh, what is this sell-off? What is this sell-off? Hopefully we're coming for this here. Hopefully. Sol pushing a bit further down. Yeah, hopefully it's not going to rug us. Hopefully we're going to get a decent push up. But yeah, any suggestions, get them into the chat if you want us to look at anything specific. In the meantime, make sure you vote on the poll. If you haven't voted on the poll, go and do it. Up is currently winning. And of course, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Of course, Black Friday sale is now on. Code BLACK50 for 50% off the annual. The link is in the description. Bear market. Do you reckon, Nick? I don't think so. I don't think yet, anyway. Sorry, guys. Sell off. I pressed the wrong button. Mate, you done us dirty there. Keep them fingers off the buttons. Yeah, I'm hoping that this is kind of the line in the sand here for taking these wicks here, as you can see. Hopefully that's it. That's a pretty aggressive sell-off going into open, and that's a potential positive thing is that if we're doing it before open, then hopefully that means on open we are gonna shoot upwards. And look at the S&P, while Bitcoin is just doing nothing and going down. The S&P is crawling up towards the highs. Look at that. Look at the difference on Bitcoin and the S&P there. What are we doing at all here? Come on now. Come on now. So hopefully that's the liquidity clearance there. Otherwise, maybe we're coming into 90.5. I mean, that is just dirty, isn't it? That is just dirty. And what is wrong with Bitcoin at all? Why can it not just get going? Why can it not just get going and give us something good to shout about? I mean, someone is really dumping it going into open here, while the S&P looks good. Macro view, possibly not today, but I think we get a little relief bounce sometime soon. However, the bounce will not break the bearish change of character on Bitcoin this year if we send it next year. Yeah, I mean, really, you can go all the way up to 100k, 101k while keeping bearish structure. He'll be in a good zone. We've got 24 minutes to go until US Open. Thus far, we've dumped into it. So can we get a little U-turn? Hopefully that was it. That was the dump. Rally on open. Rally for the rest of the day. Thank you very much. Where's left to dump his bitcoins on us? I know, yeah. You'll have to make sure you pull him up on that when he gets back. He went and pressed the red button, didn't he? Very frustrating, though, isn't it? It's very frustrating, like. Not even really asking for much. We're just asking for a little bounce, aren't we? Like, just give it a little bounce. Like, just come and bounce it into here. But I mean, the sell-off is aggressive. It's very aggressive. I mean, the state of this is wild. We are in a crab market, my friends, aren't we? We're in a crab market where we just go sideways and chop, chop, chop.
Hello.
Yeah, the chat's very angry at you.
Why?
They said that you left to go and dump all your bitcoins on us.
Yeah. It was a dump somewhere,
So I need one as well. I need one.
Oh!
It's just like non-stop, just down. Non-stop down. Yeah. Been a bit of a brutal 15 minutes, to be fair. I mean, that is hammering it, innit? It's all for no reason as well, because look at the S&P. The S&P is actually looking quite rosy.
Maybe USA isn't bullish.
Maybe. Or maybe this is a little fake out going into open.
Yeah.
Maybe this
Taking out the bottom side.
Yeah. Look at the state of it. I think ETH is also very angry today. Let's have a
Oh, another red. Oh, that's a brutal candle.
This is outrageous, isn't it? I mean, why? Why? That is horrendous, isn't it? Look at the state of this. That is horrendous. Hopefully that's it. Famous last words.
Give us a bit of up.
Hopefully that's it. To be fair, we've come into a nice place. We've filled in this gap here. It's interesting that this is coming so close to open now, isn't it? It's either a fake out or someone is front running the fact that the ETFs are going to dump it. It's one of the two. It's either a fake out going into open or someone is front running the fact that the ETFs are going to choose violence today again.
We're rebounding up a little bit. Yeah.
Hopefully, I mean, really, in the grand scheme of things, we're just ranging, aren't we?
Yeah, we're chopping.
Like, we're just chopping, and we are coming back in. Obviously, the lower that we get down towards 89, the more to demand that we come. I think something like this is, you have to just decide, don't you, on what you think is next. Like, do you think that the low is in, or do you think we're going to get a good bounce? And if you do, you just have to kind of position and be patient, because we can just carry on grinding out until the market is ready to go up. It might take all the way till Sunday.
Until Dave is ready to call cycle top again.
Can you imagine how legendary it would have been if I'd have actually opened the fattest swing short at that point as well? I should have done that.
Well, I think he ended up closing it, but imagine block pro short from 125.
Oh yeah, unbelievable. Yeah, we're getting a bit of a reaction now, which is good. Come on.
Well, we've essentially come, if you look at where we walked up there, you've essentially come back and you filled that fair value gap.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So let's get a nice rally on, shall we? Let's get a nice rally on. I still remain optimistic for now.
Yeah, you're always optimistic.
I'm not. Now we bounce to the moon. I hate the fact you've said that, James. Why'd you have to use the phrase "to the moon"? Obviously, we didn't get the memo.
My ledger out.
Delta's getting more and more angry now. Look at Stonksy as well. Stonksy, nice trade again on the 5 minute there. A bit of patience required, but there we go. Come good.
Here you are, Dave's telling us, Bitcoin's pushing up, all while Stonksy is short.
I know, but I'm just kind of blindly bullish.
He counter trades his own indicator.
I'm blindly bullish now. I'm blindly bullish for a nice bounce. Like, you could tell me anything, and I would probably still say up.
Christmas isn't real.
Yeah, there comes a point when you just have to just be like, right, this is actually enough selling now, and we are due a bounce. But yeah, that's my thesis anyway. That's kind of what I'm running with. Look at that. Do you want to know a little fun? Do you want to know a little fun fact? Is that I actually had a short from 124k, and guess what I closed it at? 120. And then I remember I tried to long this candle on stream. I shorted 124k down to 120, and on this candle here, was it that candle or was it this? Yeah, it was this one. But I tried to long this somewhere here, and ended up getting stopped out down here.
Custard hand strikes again.
Yeah, I know. It's bad, isn't it? My custard hands. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's hope the exchanges don't cook us today.
S&P rolling over.
Yeah, because that's the funny thing. Bitcoin's already dumped, and then we'll probably get double dump if the S&P rolls over. Like, we just get hammered twice.
Imagine.
Get double dunked.
What is your favourite biscuit to dunk?
Oh, dark chocolate digestive from M&S.
Oh.
I really like the M&S ones. Not McVitie's, M&S dark chocolate digestives.
You know, the Choco Leaps.
No.
Choco Leap, where it's like I don't know, I can't really describe it, but it's like sort of like a rich tea type thing.
Yeah.
With like dark chocolate.
Tell you what, I am a lover of now, and I think it's one of the signs when you know you're getting older is when you like shortbread. Like, when you like shortbread, I really like shortbread.
The smirk he has when he says that.
Like, as a kid, if you said you was having shortbread, you'd have been like, oh. Like, you'd been, no, I want like chocolate chunk, or I want like, I want like digestives or whatever. Shortbreads are lovely.
Let us know in the chat what your favourite biscuit is.
Do you know what I would, after you close that short, everyone sub in.
What's everyone's favourite biscuit? Let us know and we'll have a bit of a debate.
Do you know what I think would be legendary? Is if you had a shortbread finger and it was just completely covered in dark chocolate. So like a dark chocolate casing.
That'd be rich though.
Oh, I'd love it. I love dark. I only really eat dark chocolate. I never really eat milk.
I might do that post-ball and I might create my own chocolate bar.
Yeah. Make a series on it. TikTok. Start a TikTok. People would love that. I might just get that. I might just go on the weekend. I might just get shortbread fingers, dark chocolate, melt it, and just cover them myself. Do you know what? I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
And I'll send it in the Discord.
Oh.
I'm going to do it on the weekend.
Join the Discord so you can find
Join the Discord if you haven't. 50% off the annual with code BLACK50. It is pinned in the chat and in the description. The chocolate orange biscuits. I'm also. You've only just.
I love a Terry's chocolate orange.
Yeah.
Tim Tams. James Ginger Nuts.
That's what Tomo used to be called, didn't it? Remember? I think it was on his Discord username, or was it on Telegram? It was Tim Tam Tomo, weren't it?
Oh yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Tim Tam Tomo.
Tim Tam Tomo.
No.
Oh no. Yeah, Tim Tam Tomo.
Tim Tam Tomo, yeah.
Tim Tam.
Before he was Web3 Tomo.
Yeah, before he got into the Web3.
Started into the world of Web3.
The World Wide Webo.
Yeah. I'm not a big fan of ginger nuts.
No, I do like ginger biscuits, to be fair.
Shortbread and Northern Original.
Hobnobs dark chocolate.
There's a lot of love for hobnobs.
I don't like hobnobs.
I think they're overrated.
There's nothing worse than when a hobnob falls in your tea.
Yeah.
That is the worst biscuit to have fall in your tea ever.
For me, hobnobs are the equivalent of XRP.
Yeah.
Too overhyped.
Hobnobs, horrible taste. It sticky in your mouth, like it really sticks to you.
Choco Leaves is Bitcoin. That is the Don Daddy of biscuits.
Oh, dark chocolate digesters from M&S.
What about?
I'm really in my M&S era now, you know. I like an old person, yeah. I like shortbreads.
You can tell it's bull market.
I like shortbreads and M&S.
Oh.
M&S shortbreads from M&S.
What's your favourite chocolate bar? You go to a corner shop. What's your chocolate bar of choice?
Oh, well, it'd have to be from M&S.
Yeah. I just already know Dave shops at M&S now.
No, I just probably just. I tell you what, I do like is the Swiss dark chocolate in M&S, but also M&S do this really nice thing called clouds. So they are just like clouds of chocolate, but there's a few different. Oh, look at Bitcoin! Come on, there we go. They do different flavors. So one's like white chocolate, shortbread, and pistachio in like a little cloud shape. They do hazelnut and normal chocolate, which basically just tastes like Nutella. They do one with almond in it. They do one with cornflakes in it. And they do another one as well. Can't remember what it is. But them clouds are lovely. But do you mean if I just went into a normal corner shop?
Yeah.
A normal one, so I can't have M&S chocolate
No.
What would be my dark chocolate? I'd have to get a normal chocolate bar because I don't like Bourneville really. Hang on, let me have a little think. What would be yours?
I love dark chocolate, but the one that immediately in my head sticks out, I love a double decker.
Do you?
Oh, double deckers hit. When I went to Scotland, they had it was really weird. We were out in Edinburgh, and next to our hotel, this was when I was at uni. We were there for a ski championship. They had like this, like I can only describe it. It was like a takeaway thing next to our hotel. That was also like a corner shop, and you picked a chocolate bar and they deep fried it. And I had a deep fried double decker. Oh, we're getting a nice little push up. I had a deep fried double decker. It hit differently, Dave.
I can only imagine.
Marshmallow melted in the middle as well.
Yeah.
Oh, it was so good. But yeah, double decker hits different.
Oh, I would probably have. I'm a big sucker for a Milky Bar. Just love Milky Bar. Just plain white chocolate. If I had to go for something a little bit out there, so what would be? I'm trying to think of like what you get in there. What would you get? If I had to go for something a little bit out there, I would probably go for. I'm trying to think. I don't know. I don't know. What would I go for? Maybe a Bueno. Like a Bueno. I really like Kinder Chocolate.
Whenever we go out for Breakfast Club with Chad Moonmore, we go to this cafe we go to. Does a Bueno latte.
Oh.
It's like obscenely sweet, like this.
Yeah, like diabetes in a cup.
Chad always gets it.
Does it?
Yeah,
Do you like it? Yeah.
He loves it.
Very good, yeah. I love it.
Whoa.
I thought the screw was going to come out then again.
You do have a screw loose.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Chatting it. You'll have to take a picture of it next time I want to see it.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, Breakfast Club on Wednesdays.
Yeah.
He's loving it, isn't he? He's loving it. He is. He's absolutely loving it. You know he is. But yeah, we're pushing back up nicely on Bitcoin. What have we got here? We've got some. Here in Portugal, we have a very popular cookies with coffee. They're real espresso. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Viennese World.
He described it as a Viennese World.
Yeah, I don't like Viennese World. No. Put the magnet on.
Deep fried. Yeah, that was back in my chunky era.
Very common in Scotland.
In Scotland, the Scottish
deep fried.
crypto, I'm sure will attest to they deep fry anything there.
Mars bars, probably yeah. Anything you want. There you go.
I've seen deep fried pies as well. Mind you, we're probably in the region where they like to deep fry pies.
No, not deep fry, but a Wigan kebab.
Yeah.
You know what a Wigan kebab is?
Yeah, it's a pie in between two pieces.
Yeah.
What's the other one there?
I've never seen a deep fried pie.
Is it Babby's Yed?
That's like a pudding.
Yeah.
I've never had one.
Babby's Yed.
From what I understand, it is like just like a steak pudding, which is obviously like steak and pastry. And then with gravy on, I think.
Babby's Yed.
Babby's Yed. Yeah. Babby's Yed. Yeah. Gonna need more than one magnet. Do you reckon? Oh no, hang on. I think the camera's done that thing where it zooms in. Hello. Yeah, you're fix the camera. I need the toilet as well because I need it. I need dump. Yeah, but just in case, where that. Give you the honor today. Let me fix the camera. Yeah. I know. You're gonna have the honor. Right, let me fix this camera first before I go. Didn't know that was legal. What about deep frying stuff? Yeah. Right, let's fix the camera.
I might need another. Chat, do I have another monster for open?
Does he have another monster for open? Oh yeah. Oh, you like the caffeine, don't you? You had a cappuccino while we was out.
I'm a man of simple taste. I like caffeine and obscenely high leverage.
Oh God, what's happened here? Oh no.
You need to get your magic background on.
I know.
Give the illusion.
Hang on. Why is the background not coming on? Hang on.
Because you need to click that.
No, it did this. It did this one time. When it just wouldn't put the background back on. Let's see. Yeah. It did this when it wouldn't put the thing on. What a time for it to do it as well, as I'm about to poo myself. Hang on.
Just before I open as well.
Yeah.
Bit high, isn't it? There we are.
There we go, we're back. Right, take control. Where's he going to take control as I go and have a dump? Oh, it's going to be amazing. Oh, yeah, one today.
Oh, what's the Bitcoin chart dump down now?
I'm going to be keeping a close eye on it.
I'm the king of the castle, the king of the castle.
scroll.
Oh, here we are. Right, who wants Dave's seed phrase? So let us know what we are looking at, or what you want us to look at. Which tab do I have open? Ooh, I need to take my ring off. Ooh. I'm the king of the castle. The king of the castle. Right, how do we get? Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Oh, come on, get the magnet up. Come on. What other drawings do we have? Got the fight here, the eternal fight between the two. How'd you flash windows up on here? I'm the king of the castle. Anyway, we're moving this up quite nicely now. The magnet seems to be doing its work. Is this it? Nope. So we are pushing up quite nicely here. Hopefully we can push up and reclaim this 92. That was a brutal wick down though. It was quite nice. Essentially though, you had, it's quite textbook in that you basically had this range here with the buy side liquidity up here, and we see we took out all of the stops that were here, and boom, and we have done the same down here. We've taken out all of the stops there, so we've broken this little mini range here. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see where we go from here. We're pushing up quite nicely though. What are we doing on the S&P? Nasdaq is flying, isn't it? Look at that. Oh. S&P, what are we doing on MSTR? MSTR looks horrible, doesn't it? Solana. What have we got here, sir? Celestia. Ooh, interesting. Dave's got his. Dave's mouse is inverse. So if you roll it down, it goes up, and if you roll it up, it goes down. Oh, he's an odd character, isn't he, our Dave? He's a very, very peculiar man. What am I after? I'm after Chrome. Here we are. Sorry, I was trying to find the chat again. Inverse mouse. Yeah, it's basically like the way it scrolls is weird and different and all of that stuff. Can't have more than one monster a day. I don't know who you are. If you are Kiyostama, then I can. I am fighting back against that. No, I love Monster. I love Monster Energy. Whenever I go across the Isle of Man for the TT, I'm drinking like 4 or 5 of these things a day, man. It is just like, whoa. Just gets you fired up. You know what I mean? Like, you just got to have enough to be able to attack the day quite nicely. I love White Monster though. Like, I'd say that's one of my favorites. The Isle of Man TT is nuts because they've got this Monster Energy tent where they've got like every flavor known to mankind that they've ever produced in there, and that you just get them all for free. There is actually a picture, I may put it in the Stonksy Discord actually, of the end of the weekend they were giving out crates, and there's a picture with me carrying 48 cans of Monster. We were walking around the streets giving them out like it was pretty funny. Before we went on to Bushy's Village, which is like the big tent thing. Yeah, I recommend doing the Isle of Man TT if anyone's doing it, but I do it every year and it's amazing. Oh, I like it. I love it, Bobby. Yeah. So when I say Bushy's Village, you know exactly where I mean. Down on the front. Yeah, my friend lives in Castletown, so we go over to there. We see he lives just across the bay from Jeremy Clarkson's old house. What a place, Bobby. It is. It's fantastic. Yeah, I love Castletown. I've got another mate who lives in Ramsey. And another one who lives in what's it called? It begins with P. Begins with P on the west coast. I've forgotten the name of it now. Yeah, it begins with P. And I've forgotten the name of the place. Peel, that's it. Peel, out on the west coast with like the castle on the beach. Port Erin. So my friend's friend lives in Port Erin. Beautiful there. We went out drinking there. But it's Peel. Yeah, Peel, because we were over that side for the race. How are we doing?
Hey, what are we doing?
We were just chatting. Mr. Delta was asking if you'd be able to speak after having your numero de. It fell out a bit like Bitcoin.
It's not, has it?
I flashed up the wrong thing.
You flashed up my trade?
Yeah, I was saying to the chat, your mouse is horrible because it's inverse.
Is that Bitcoin? It's Tia. What are you doing?
How do you flick between the tabs on here?
On what? What do you want to do?
Well, I'm flicking between. Yeah. So yeah, you do that. And then going back. Yeah, because I was.
What's it doing? Has it gone up or down? Or has it stayed the same?
What Itty bitty is flirting. Yeah, your mouse is inverse.
What do you mean?
So when you scroll down on the wheel, it goes up.
Oh yeah.
You're a weird man, you. Oh, what time is it?
4 minutes ago. I just need to send an email really quick.
Nice. Dave's sending some money to a prince who's asked him. Oh, that is a nasty kick down on Nvidia. Look at that. Oh.
It was probably always going to get some retrace, weren't it, after the pump yesterday?
I'll tell you what, though. Look at that. Oh, these guys aren't letting go. Oh.
Look at miners.
Yeah, circle up, hood up, Tron up. Oh, Nutex! Look at that day. The Nutex up 21, 136. Oh. What else have we got? Oracle, hymns. Anyone in the Discord, you'll have seen that I called the bottom of hymns. I called that on $34.
You called a lot of moves.
Yeah. They call me the. I don't know what they call me, but what's Joby doing? Joby's going. That's a Justin favourite soon. What have we got in terms of the memes? Are any? Oh, Fartcoin keeps going. 15. Moodang. The active AI prophecy is still going. Chill guy. Are you much of a chill guy, Dave?
I'm often a chill guy unless Bitcoin's dumping as I'm long.
Well, to be fair, we are. I tell you what, look, the VIX has kicked back down quite well.
Send that email, which is important.
The VIX has kicked down quite. Another good shot. Your mouse is your mouse is so annoying.
It's all right. It's all right. I remain positive. Do you?
Yeah. Look, I mean, this is really bullish. Like the VIX falling so significantly.
Yeah.
Again.
18%.
Yeah. Again, kicks down. What's gold doing? Yeah. Gold is really interesting because I had marked out on my chart 4078 is the point of control on gold.
So obviously we had quite a nice little push up on it. But yeah, VIX, Stonksy shorted the VIX this morning.
People try and compare gold and Bitcoin in terms of price action, because it literally just means nothing, does it?
Yeah, exactly.
Like it means literally jack all.
Silver the same. What else we got? Total. See, total's barely moving.
Yeah.
We're back on Bitty. Oh, come on.
Don't send us into the death zone.
We are literally back in the range.
Zone,
yeah.
Below the death zone. I am liking to say that you zoom out on the hourly and there is just nothing but liquidity ready to be taken to the upside. Like, how can you let shorts get away with it so much? Like, just the ability to short every bounce and be profitable. Like, come on.
Spoken like a true bull who has a bias for this going up.
I called the what was it? 25% higher for me on your stream.
Oh no.
And everyone thought I was mad.
Why you nearly killed yourself on the
It's
chair.
a horrible chair.
Oh,
Do you know what's annoying as well?
Go on.
Is I used to have a Noble chair,
Yeah.
which is like, it was so comfy and everything, but the problem was it was big and it was heavy. So I thought I'll get myself something lighter, sold it on eBay, got like 100 quid for it. And I wish I kept it now because it was such a comfy, nice chair. But I actually think I'm just going to swap for this one. This is a much better chair.
Yeah.
Even just this little shitty one.
I think when you get your new office layout, you can get one of the.
I'm going to get a really good one.
Are you going to get a massage chair?
I'm going to get a really good
can
chair.
you imagine Dave with like a reclining massage chair?
Oh,
Dave, what's Bitcoin doing? I'll check in a minute.
Yeah. Let it finish up on my neck first.
Oh. Yeah. Well, TMG had a mad one, didn't he? He had that mad massage
He had
chair,
it in Dubai. I don't know what he done with it. I don't know if he still got it there or what. Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
Yeah, about that massage. Yeah, because they're like the ones you see in airports and stuff, aren't they?
Yeah, so we're when we were over there, Big J got in it.
Yeah. I bet it feels so. Imagine just being able to do that whenever you wanted. Did it feel good? Did you go in it?
I didn't go in it, but it was pretty mad.
Oh, it's zoomed in again. Do you want me to fix it? Or do you just want to leave it? Fix it. Let's fix it.
You can swap chairs again if you want.
Why, do you like the other chair?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Go on then. Chair. Swap positions. You get in that position there. Oh.
Notice he says all of this off camera.
I was hoping I know. I was hoping that I was gonna have to climb over you then. I have a massage chair. I expensed it. It's my best picture. Mate, send me a picture on Discord, please. Send me a picture on Discord. I'd love to see it. Like, actually. Bobby says he lives on the Isle of Man.
Yeah,
in Douglas.
We were chatting about that.
Oh, hey, Bobby, I'd love to come over. Can I come and stay at yours? Me and Wiz will come over.
Isle of Man is beautiful.
I want to go to the Isle of Man. I would actually come over. If you would host, Bobby, would you be a
TT next year?
Yeah, would you be a good host? Oh, Bitcoin not looking too good, is it?
Stonksy stream from the Isle of Man.
Right, let me check. Is everything working again? It's incredibly annoying the way it zooms in. Let's see. Oh, we're exposed again. Right. There we go. We're fixed. Come on, Bitcoin. Do something. The magnet isn't very magnetized today.
No, Dave's bought a dodgy magnet.
Yeah. That's it. Well, saying in it, you buy cheap, you buy twice. You know. See, we've rejected from this area now, haven't we? Where we was finding support, which is annoying. I'm just gonna let nature take its course though, and just let things chop, and then whatever happens. As it stands, we've put in a nice hourly candle so far. That is obviously some good downside absorption.
Yeah.
And I think from this point on, you just need to get off the 5-minute chart and look at the higher time frame. I mean, you look at this, and you just like look at all this. That's just waiting to be ran there. I mean, how many more bounces are they going to let you be able to short before they go, right, okay, we're taking this one, we're going to come for this one and this one. And then obviously people will get long and bullish, and then they'll obviously probably just drop it back down to the yearly open for a test. From here, my raw plan is, and my raw plan, my raw plan is to, as long as obviously we don't just completely have the arse fall out of ourselves here, is to long it up for a clearance of this, to then take profit here, and then wait for a retest of the yearly open, and then long it back up.
Yeah.
So that would be kind of my, in an ideal world, my perfect plan would be to be able to take profit on a sweep of here, take profit there, wait for a slow drift down into the yearly open, long the yearly open. If we get back below, then it lights out for the time being. But that's kind of in my mind, my plan anyway.
Plan is planning. That is Dave's raw plan.
The raw plan.
The raw plan.
Raw.
As opposed to the well cooked up plan.
Yeah. Sent photo. Let's see. Do you want to still only been 10 minutes? Yeah, exactly. What are you thinking, Short Video Guru? Let me know in the chat, mate. What are you thinking? What's your kind of bias or thoughts on the market for up or down? It's always good to have your thoughts.
Did you take some good profit on plug, Short Video Guru?
Yeah, you're a plug guru. Oh, look at that. Why has it got an Arsenal cushion on there? Oh, it ruins it. It ruins it, that. So, what's it like, James? What's it like, mate? Is it like comfortable to be in? Does it really like get in the grooves and really like properly massage you? Like, let me know what the actual like experience is like in it. Yeah, like I don't just want to tickle. I want deep grooves into the. Will you pass me my can there, please, sir? Thank you. Yeah, I want some deep kneading. Like, really knead me. You know what I mean?
I don't know why he's giving me a very creepy smile when he says that.
Chat, everyone in the chat. Let me know if I should get Wiz.
Do not encourage him.
Let me know if I should get Wiz. Liquidity is to the upside, but not opposed to 82k either. Bounce, dump, Santa Rally maybe. I would be open to any sort of scenario where we bounce, yes. I just want to take profit before the end of the week at 97 without getting stopped out.
Dave's entire thesis is based on the fact he wants it to be.
Yeah. My bias is up because I'm long. That's literally it. My bias is up because I'm long. So yeah, slam it into there. Let me take profit. I'll be honest. As long as if we come up to here, or forget up there anyway, just forget up there for now. As long as we reclaim the yearly open, for as long as we're up there, my genuine like, forget about my positions and stuff like that. My actual like bias on the outlook will be bullish. And then at any point that we drop below there, I will be just completely like not entertaining longs at all. If we get above there and drop back below. Once we get above there, I think that gives real good pivot point then for your bullish and bearish outlook. Because if we lose the yearly open again, then you can just wait for whatever happens from there, or you could short from there. But as long as once we reclaim there, as long as we stay above, yeah. But I mean, ideally, I'd love to do this, then this, and then raw plan, raw.
It's a raw Wellington plan.
That is so raw.
That is a medium rare plan.
That is so raw.
I'm shorting the S&P now.
Are you?
I got tagged into a short.
Oh, you devil. Yeah, I mean this on the S&P here is this is the ultimate zone on the S&P. This grey box that separates us from 7k and not 7k. Up from all the way up there. Oh, Bitty, don't fuck us like this. Don't do us like this. Don't do us dirty. I wonder if people have started to maybe suggest that this is a inverse head and shoulders with a slanting neckline. That's one for James. I know James is a big patterns guy. James, you're a big patterns guy, aren't you? I bet you're looking at this. Let me know if I'm right or not. Have you been looking at this? But I bet there are people looking at this going, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, sloping neckline.
Yeah, letting up a bit of dandruff.
Yeah. Oh, hey, James, I wouldn't have that. Hey, you know what Wiz said about you, Dan? He said he got dandruff.
Didn't say he had
You did. You did. He said James letting off a bit of dandruff. You did. Oi, Dave, you've got a wife. Stop flirting. I'm actually not married, mate. Oh, Steve's put a very ominous thing in, hasn't he? Sand timer for what, Steve? Come on. What is the woo-woo guy saying? Come on, Steve. Spill, mate. Come on. Come on. Don't just leave us with a sand timer emoji. Spill. Come on.
Spill the beans.
Come on. Spill. When was the last time, speaking of like thingos, when was the last time where you actually saw like a green candle on Bitcoin and you thought, whoa? Like, when was the last time?
In a good way.
Like this one was a large one, wasn't it? That was a 4K candle. I don't know what the cast is for this one, but the last one that really springs to my mind was this one. Do you remember this one? I'm sure it was this one. This was the Powell one. I think when basically at Jackson Hole, when basically he said that they were going to cut rates. That was the last time I think I got really excited about an hourly Bitcoin candle. Remember, I was actually long on that on stream, and I stayed on stream because I was long on it, and my bias was up because I was long. But I think that was kind of the last time I got properly excited about like a green candle on Bitcoin. Like, come on, Steve. What's the sand timer, me, mate? What are we waiting on? Sand timer for what? He's just left us as well, hasn't he? Unless he's DM me. No DM. Come on, Steve.
Ominous.
Hey, short video guru. Less that language. Help me! Help! Wonder how long it takes for someone to run in. Oh wait, look. I thought it was going to be something like of knowledge, Steve-o, like, you know, in the know of a pump or a dump.
I thought you were going to give us another heads up on Asta.
Oh, that haunts me, you know. 33 cents. 33 cents it was. Makes me sad.
Anything exciting actually going to happen on Bitcoin today?
I hope it just doesn't fall rogue. I mean, honestly, if it goes all the way back down here, I'm going to be so demoralized.
That's such a manipulated pump.
Yeah, I mean, low time frame, we just need to get back above here. You can see there, obviously, this area is acting as SR, low time frame. So, low time frame, we just need to get back above there. Oh, firing off all angles. Oh, no. Oh. Can't take any more of this.
Yeah.
I actually don't know how many more red days I can sit through. Thank God that it's Thursday.
Just press was it Command-I and invert your chart?
Yeah. Tell you what, let's go to a fresh chart. One without anything on it. Invert scale. Let's actually have a look and see if we could remove any sort of bias, because if you actually do that for on the daily, you would actually say that we're going into there, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Like on the if this was like if Bitcoin was going up at this point, personally, I would be targeting the daily there and into that supply, and then looking for something like that, because you'd come into supply there, then reverse.
Yeah, I've actually just had it's just completing market structure retests. Like that would be a logical destination for it to go, isn't it?
Yeah.
That sort of higher low, lower higher low, high,
Yeah.
higher low, higher low.
And I mean, look at that accumulation there
Yeah.
for expansion.
Nice
Honestly, I think
liquidation to the downside.
sometimes you really do just need to flip the chart, don't you?
Yeah, liquidation to the downside before move up.
Because I mean, just look at this. Like, I remember looking at this on stream when we had the underside rejection there, but when you look at it from an inverted point of view, that was literally just just like breakout, retest, expansion.
You still bullish?
I'm gonna let nature take its course and just see just whatever happens.
You are the nature boy.
Yeah.
Like Ric Flair.
Yeah, I mean, that is one strong uptrend, isn't it? Look at that. What do you think to that?
That is a very, very strong uptrend.
Yeah. However, could we get a little triple top there? And then, but I don't know.
Shorts it back down.
Yeah, a little triple top. What about this? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Trend line break. Yes, please. I can't take any more. I genuinely can't take any more of downtrend. Like, just give me the bounce, please. Let's see if anyone else enjoyed that inverted chart business. It could be higher low W pattern. Could be. Yeah. I mean, that's exactly what I was looking at yesterday. Short video guru. We was at the point yesterday. Where was we? Yesterday on stream here. Like literally as we just turbo nuked. But obviously before the US market opened and stuff, I was looking at that. Obviously for maybe that being the low, then a high, then a higher low, and then obviously looking for
high, low,
continuation.
High, low.
But yeah. But we didn't get it obviously, and then we went to a new low. So yeah.
Dave the record breaker.
Who knows? I'm just gonna let nature take its course now, and just.
So what are your favourite catchphrases now?
For this, yeah, because I don't want to do any meddling. I know as soon as I start meddling, that's when it's all gonna go downhill. Like as soon as I meddle with anything now, then that's when it's gonna go downhill. So just gotta refrain from that and stick to the plan.
I'm still bullish.
Yeah.
Still bullish.
Good. You were bullish for this, aren't you? The raw plan. You bullish for the raw plan here.
I am, yeah. Dave.
That would actually make perfect sense as well, really.
He's cooked up a good raw plan.
Raw plan.
He's just giving me the look like Ainsley Harriott as well.
But yeah, big thank you to everyone that watched today. Of course, let's do some shilling, shall we? Let's do some shilling.
Don't say a follow.
No. Well, of course, do that. Yeah. Come and sign up to this channel, the Wizard of Alt. Come on, this guy's channel. There's how many of you is in here? 20 odd. 20. There'll definitely be a few people knocking about. 25 people, so there'll definitely be a few of you that aren't signed up to this channel. So do come and sign up to Wizard's channel. Some great content and, of course, some regular live streams as well. The wise man, yeah, you get to see me on there. Even though I actually wasn't on there yesterday. it was Haller. And you can replace my thing now as well with my. Do you want me to send you the one I'm using now? Yeah. Poor Hala. Didn't get any exposure. Oh, hey. Oh. No, we're coming back up now. We're coming back up. That's going to be an all right hourly candle, that, to be fair. Yeah. We're going to go up. Say it. Should we do it before we go off? Up. Come on. Right. Thank you very much for thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you do obviously go check Wiz out, and of course drop a like. Stonksy Black Friday sale is now on.
Let us know. Should we do more in-person streams?
Yeah, let me know if you want some in-person streams. Maybe I could come to yours. Oh, that would be good, wouldn't it? Oh, yeah. Get him to get the Bueno lattes in. But yeah, do make sure if you're wanting to sign up to Stonksy, or you've obviously been thinking about it, now is the perfect time with 50% off. The code is Black50. You can find it in the description alongside the link for Stonksy. And if any of you are wanting to sign up to TradingView, obviously they do a massive Black Friday sale. There is a link to TradingView in the description to get them discounts. Obviously, it's a great time to get your annual because they do like 70-80% off the yearly plans on Black Friday. So check that out as well. And of course, I'll see you all tomorrow for the end of week stream. Wiz?
Yeah.
Pleasure to have this guy on. Obviously, first in-person stream. Yeah, and it's been a good one. So have a great day. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.